In Hands-On Equations Lesson 13, it will just be a review of the legal move of removing cubes from both sides. But as we move through these levels, we want to make sure we're doing that move first to help simplify. Let's do a couple of problems together. I want to build my equation 2x plus star plus 3 is equal to 2 star plus 15. And again, you can use any combination of cubes to equal 15. I'm just going to use a 10 and a 5. The first thing I want to do is make sure I have cubes just on one side. That means that we want to move our constants. So I want to subtract this 3 cubes. So I'm going to subtract 3 from this side, which means I need to subtract 3 from this side. So 15 minus 3 is 12. So I just need to adjust my cubes to be worth 12 instead of 15. Now I've isolated the cubes onto one side. My next move would be to scan for any zero pairs, and I see a 0 pair right here, so I'm going to remove those. So now I have a blue pawn, and I have 2 white pawns, a 10 and a 2. I want to get my pawns on their own side, so I need to get rid of these 2 white pawns, and I have 2 legal moves I could use for that. I could either put on a 0 pair to 2 0 pairs onto this side to get rid of the white pawns, or I can use the move we learned in lesson 12 of adding blue pawns to each side to create 0 pairs on the right side. Now that I've created these 0 pairs, the 0 pairs can be taken off. So I have 3 blue pawns is equal to 12. 3 times some number is 12. Well, 3 times 4 is 12. So if my blue pawn is 4, my white pawns are negative 4. Now I want to build back my original equation. And I want to perform my check. So I know this is a 0 pair. So negative 4 plus a positive 4 is 0. Plus 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7. On this side, I have negative 4 plus negative 4, that's a negative 8. Negative 8 plus 10 is 2, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So my check is 7 equals 7. And I know then I have the right solution. Let's try another one. We have 3 star plus an x and a 5 cube is equal to a star and a 12. You can use any combination of cubes to equal a 12. First thing I want to do is remove my cubes. So I want to subtract 5 from this side. And if I subtract 5 from 12, I should have a total of 7. So I just need to readjust my cubes so that I have a combination that equals 7. Now, I would want to scan for 0 pairs. I see a 0 pair right here, but I see that I really want to get rid of this white pawn so that the cubes are completely by themselves. And since I have a white pawn already on this side, I'm going to go ahead and just subtract my 2 pawn from each side. Now I see that I can simplify further because I have a 0 pair on this side. And so I have a white pawn is equal to 7. Well, if my star is equal to 7, my blue pawn, or an x, must be negative 7. Now I want to build back my original equation so that I can perform my check. All right, so I have negative 7 plus a positive 7, that's 0. 7 plus 7 plus 5 is 19. 7 plus 12 is also 19. So 19 equals 19, check. Let's do one final problem together. I have a star and a 12 cube, or cubes worth 12. Then I have 2 blues and a 6 cube. First move is always with the cubes. And so I have 12 and I have 6. I want to subtract this 6 And if I subtract 6 from 12, I have another 6. So I'm just going to adjust those cubes on the left to be worth 6. Now I want to get rid of this white pawn so that the cubes are completely by themselves. But I don't have a white pawn on this side to remove. So I could either add a 0 pair on this side, or I can add a blue pawn to each side to create a 0 pair on this side. I'm going to add a blue pawn to each side. I've now created a 0 pair that I can remove. And I have 6 is equal to some number added to itself 3 times. Well, 3 times 2 is 6. So my blue pawn, or my x,